Hello, and welcome back YouTube to this quick tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get into any Instagram profile that you want. And today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get into the profile Jennifer, or any for that matter. So all you need to do is just try to follow them, and if they don't accept you, you'll be forced to use GoonView. So you just need the Jennifer.burns or the username of the person that you're trying to follow. And now you need to go to goonview.com and click on the view profile button, and you will be presented with their private viewer. You write in here the username of the person you're trying to view. So Jennifer dot burns 2 and just click connect. Wait for the program to find the person, verify that it's the same person. So that's Jennifer Burns, 740 posts. Click confirm account. Wait for their amazing application to do its magic to unlock the profile. And this doesn't really take long. I don't know how they do it, but they always work. So this is an amazing website. And bam, as you can see, the profile got unlocked. I can download or see any of the photos that you posted. You can see stories, followers, following list, everything that you want to do. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and catch you in the next one. Bye bye.